Hello everybody. Today we are going to create a 2D curve in SolidWorks using equation. So equation driven 2D curve. The equation is in the explicit form. That means it is in terms of y and x, the scalar coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. So the equation is y is equal to 0.5 times x square, where x varies between 0 and 3. So in the picture you can see here, this blue curve is the curve that we want to create, and the equation of this curve is y is equal to 0.5 x square. So without further ado, let's go to SolidWorks here. SolidWorks, I'm gonna create a new part. Okay, next I want to draw the sketch on the front plane, that curve that I just showed you. I want to draw it on the front plane. So I right click on front plane and click sketch. So I have entered in sketch mode now, and as you know, there are many different sketch commands available to me. I'm looking for a command that will allow me to create equation driven curve. So that's right here in this menu here, spline menu. And if you click on the small triangle there, you see equation driven curve. So let's click on that. There are two types of equations you can use. You can create curves using two different types of equations: explicit equations and parametric equations. Explicit equations, I'm not going to talk much about this. You can read it in the book or on internet. Explicit equations are in terms of x and y, and parametric equation are in terms of some parameter such as t. But anyway, let's not spend too much time on that. Our goal is to put this equation, explicit equation, which is in terms of y and x, in SolidWorks. So that's what we are going to do. So equation explicit, yx is equal to 0.5 times, you have to use star for multiplication, x hat for square, hat for the exponent, and 2. So 0.5 star for multiplication, x hat for power term, and 2, 0.5 x square. And as we know, x varies between 0 and 3. So we have to put those limits of x here. x1 is 0 and x2 is 3. So that's good. Now all inputs are appropriately completed. So let's click OK. And here you can already see the curve taking shape. Now next you need to draw these two lines so that you can revolve this curve around that y-axis to create this particular 3D feature. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a straight line, vertical line from origin, and a horizontal line. So that completes my sketch. You can exit the sketch, and now you can use revolve command, revolved boss / base. Select here you have to select the axis of revolution. So I'm going to select this vertical line as my axis of revolution, and you can already see full 360-degree revolution. So all looks good. I'm gonna click OK, and that's how easy it is to create equation driven. Particularly we are talking about explicit equation, which is in terms of y and x, equation driven 2D curve in SolidWorks. So that's it for today. Thank you.